Hello friends, I am Dr. Sonal Chandak, Associate Professor, Srimati Kesharbai Lahoti Mahavidyalaya, Amravati, Maharashtra. In one of the presentations, we studied the golden rules of accounting, the golden rules of debit and credit of accounting. Now, in this presentation, we will try to identify the types of accounts and passing of their journal entries. Here in this slide, I have given you list of some of the items which you have to verify, which you have to know as to which account it belongs to, whether it is personal account, whether it is real account, or whether it is nominal account. There are many items of them. One is cash account, then wages account, building account, Amravati bus depot account, Eastern Sports Club account, rent account, capital account, drawing account, then interest account, Mr. Ram's account, outstanding wages account, and the list is a long one. Let us bifurcate all these items and know which item goes under which list. From the list, we have bifurcated all the accounts. Of them, following are the personal accounts. Amravati Bus Depot account, Eastern Sports Club account, Capital account, Drawing account, Mr. Ram's account, Miss Sarita's account, Outstanding Wages account, and Dividend Received in Advance account. Dear friends, of all these personal accounts, we have again bifurcated them into natural, then artificial, and representative accounts. From this list, Mr. Ram and Miss Sarita's account come under the natural personal account. Amravati Bus Depot account and Eastern Sports Club account come under the artificial personal account. Capital account, drawing account, outstanding wages account, dividend received in advance account come under the representative account. From among that list, we will bifurcate the real accounts into this particular slide. First is the cash account, then building account, trademark account, land account, goodwill account, patents account, and bank account. These are all the real accounts. However, we will again differentiate and bifurcate between the real account, that is tangible real accounts, and intangible real accounts. The tangible real accounts of this list are cash account, building account, land account, bank account, because these all we can see, we can feel, and we can touch. So they are treated as tangible real accounts. Intangible real accounts are those which we cannot see, which we cannot feel, which we cannot touch, but still they have the value. These are the list of intangible real accounts. Trademarks, goodwill account, patent account. Of the real accounts, these are the intangible real accounts. In this last slide, from among the list, we will bifurcate the nominal accounts. Nominal accounts are those accounts which include expenses, losses, incomes, and gains. If you are incurring some expenses such as wages, rent, interest, dividend paid, bad debts, discount allowed, all these are the expenses. However, if we receive some amount in the form of revenue such as interest received, discount received, dividend received, then these are known as the nominal accounts. So, here is the list of the items of nominal accounts which we have bifurcated from the list. These are the items and we apply the rule, golden rule, that is debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Means if we are incurring expenses or if we have suffered from loss, we will be giving a debit to it, and if we are getting income or we are gaining something, we will give a credit to it. For example, discount received, we will be giving credit because we are going to get some gain out of it. If we are receiving interest, we will be giving credit to it because we are going to make the income. But if we are paying dividend, we are making expenses, and so we will be giving debit to the respective account. So friends, if we receive dividend, that becomes the nominal account. But if the dividend is outstanding, that becomes the personal account. If we are receiving rent or we are paying rent, it is the nominal account. But if the rent is outstanding or if the rent is prepaid or pre-received, that becomes the personal account. This is how we have to understand, and we have to bifurcate the list so that we can comfortably bifurcate and apply the golden rules to it in order to apply the principle of duality. Thank you.